One absolutely essential page is the contact page. Now, there are no defined rules as to what you should place on a contact page. You could actually place a contact form, you could add your email ID, you could add your telephone number, you could add the connection details of the main person who needs to be reached to benefit from the offerings of your website. There are websites which also prefer to add the physical address, the registered address, and also give a list of addresses of various branches and operations that they have in different geographies. Sometimes a feedback form can be added here as well. A website visitor should easily be able to track down this contact page and reach you whenever he needs to. So I hope you enjoyed these tips. Have a good day.